Welcome to our channel dedicated to making your life with diabetes a little sweeter. Today, we're diving deep into the world of superfoods specifically tailored for those living with type 2 diabetes. Let's explore the delicious options that can help manage your blood sugar levels while keeping your taste buds satisfied. First things first, why are superfoods so important for managing diabetes? These powerhouse foods are packed with nutrients that can help control your blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and even boost overall energy levels. They're perfect for snacks, meals, and desserts. Now let's get down to business and explore some of the top superfoods that are great for diabetics. Red lentils. Rich in fiber and low in sugar, red lentils make a fantastic addition to salads, stews, and soups. They can help keep you feeling full and stable between meals. Oats. Oats are a complete grain that can help balance blood sugar levels and provide sustained energy. They're versatile and can be enjoyed in various forms like rolled oats, oatmeal, or oat bran. Nuts and seeds. Walnuts, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds are all high in healthy fats and can be a great snack option. They also offer a good amount of protein and fiber. Remember, it's always best to check with your healthcare provider or a dietitian before incorporating new foods into your diet, especially if you have specific dietary needs or restrictions. But don't just take our word for it. Let's see a quick recipe demo of a delicious superfood dish that's sure to impress. We'll be making a flavorful lentil soup that's both nutritious and satisfying. Grab your apron and let's get cooking. Here's what you need to know about our lentil soup recipe. Start by sautéing onions and garlic in olive oil until softened. Add spices like cumin and paprika for that warm, comforting aroma. Then, add the lentils and vegetable broth to create a hearty base. You can customize with fresh herbs, a splash of tomato paste for color, and a bit of crunch with chickpea flour for texture. As you stir, let's chat about portion sizes and how to adjust the recipe to fit your personal dietary needs. Remember, portion control is key for managing blood sugar levels, and that's it. By exploring superfoods like red lentils and oats, you're taking a big step towards better managing your diabetes. Keep experimenting in the kitchen, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or share your own favorite superfood hacks. Stay tuned for more informative content on diabetes management, and remember, every bite counts. Subscribe to our channel for more recipes and tips on living with diabetes. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Thank you for being part of our community. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, stay healthy and sweet.